Welcome people.
Everybody knows say life in. So people, we're about to deal with today some soup. So we have carrot, retail butter, half a onion, a piece of pepper, and a piece of sweet pepper, and a cock soup. So, and a coconut milk, and I'm gonna put little salt in the pot, not enough salt. Live. So you don't know anything of people. So stay tuned. Some sip there, see pizza, you can see. Some sip live, so I'm going to do less talking. You see me a story? See the people, you see peas? Pieces people, you see it? See the ingredients night and now people. So you see the thing going now? I'm going to put the cock noodle night and carrot, pepper, piece of retail butter, and you don't know anything go half a onion and a country pepper and a piece of sweet pepper and 2 peck of garlic live. So stay tuned. Alright people, I go wash up the carrot and crepe here. Alright people, I crepe the carrot here. People strip off one and cut up in a pot now. Alright. Now talk about the pot now. We're beside the pot, people. Make it go on for 50 minutes. Ital people, Ital live. You know the over pot with the biscuit in the pot. So just stay tuned. Alright people, so now go. You see it? So we get the rice and then we get sharing. See it people? You see it people? You see it? The pot's pretty live. Wash the brown rice now. So yeah, show it here now. Ease up now. So the thing go people. So you wash rice people. A lot of people don't know if you wash rice now. You don't know if you cook live. They don't know. So you wash it. So we are going to show this out here right there now. Wash it one more time. Piece of butter in it. Right about now. Thing that people so. Put little salt in it now. Right people, so lock off the pipe and go get light the stove and now people. I'm going to light the stove. Sit on the pot. Right people, set on the pot cover. Make it cook for 20 minutes. Right people, you cook you know so go share up here and you see what I'm going. See rice? Shelly like whoa. Live, the food up and running, so just remember to like and subscribe and share. Yeah people, live, let's talk it.